Specialize metals and mines, tools to refine a sustainable world by design. Miracles, the world replies, processing paths where knowledge flies, characterize the earth, its worth we see, sustainability, a legacy. Steel whispers, polymers hum, a brighter tomorrow. Here it comes. From the lab to the field, hands create material shape the planet's fate. Heat and pressure, nature's guide. In every grain, the truth resides. Measure the pulse, the earth's own beat. Materials speak, they